We're back at the lake today, and today we're gonna teach Miss Luga how to stay on the paddleboard. I think she'll be able to get the hang of it. What do you think, Miss? Do you have anything to say? No? You just want to get in? Okay. Luga. Luga has never been on a paddleboard before, but we have a feeling she'll do pretty good. She's already pretty used to standing on random objects and sitting on them, so that's a hurdle that we think we've already conquered, which will help us greatly today trying to get her to stand and then sit on a floating object in the water. Luga is also pretty good at balancing, so we are hoping that that keeps us and her from falling in the water. Oh, Luga! What's he got for you? What's he setting up over here? Sit! Are you ready to go paddleboarding? Are you ready to go paddleboarding, Miss Lou? Are you gonna learn a new trick? Oh, or are you just gonna chase squirrels? No, we're going out on the water. You can't chase squirrels on the water. And he's off. Are you gonna go get him? Luga, come on. Take off. Don't worry, it'll be your turn next. Are you ready? Now are you ready? Okay, go get it. Why aren't you getting it? He's gonna fall. Are you ready to get on the paddleboard? You had a little warm up in the water. You ready to float? Oh, she's leaving the water. Come on. Look up. Come on. Look here. Load up. Come on. Good girl. You can do it. Yeah. 4 paws on. Doggy's first paddleboarding trip. You're doing so good. Good girl. Woo! Face kisses. How is that? Good girl. Nice and relaxed now. Isn't that comfy? Oh no! We're all on the board. How long will we stay on? What do you think, Luga? Luga! Sit! Good girl. Good girl. Oh. A little choppy today. It's kind of windy. But the dog is doing amazingly, aren't you, miss? What a sweetie. Got our handsome pilot in the back. Oh shit. Oh shit. Luga, sit. She does not want to sit, folks.
Luga, I can't turn around to go back if you don't sit, Luga.
You have to sit, ma'am. It's abandoned ship, folks. She fell off the boat. Luga, this is because you didn't sit down. If you would have sat, you would be fine.
Luga, I said I couldn't turn. You didn't sit.
She needed you to sit so that we could turn around, Luga.
Now we're beating you.
What a good girl. You did so well. Yeah, your dad says when you fall down, you just have to get right back up. Round 2. Load up. Good girl. Good girl. All the way. Good girl. Maybe if you settle, it'll be easier. Oh, poor baby. You're doing so well for your first time. You're gonna push your dad up. Oh my god. Don't fall. Oh, there, we've assumed the proper stance now.
Dun 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 dun. Yes! Collision! Ah, run over! She's been run over! Sand angel. Oh my god. 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 Oh my god.
They said all dogs must be on leash. They did not say that you have to hold the leash though. What do you think about that, Luga?
All aboard! Alright, going out's the easy part. Turning around and coming back home is harder. Especially when this booty doesn't want to sit.
I'm gonna try to turn around and we're either gonna fail or it's gonna work. Oh, look at that balance. Luga! Luga! What a good girl. She says I'm not gonna lie down. She's doing good sitting. Yes, good girl.
She's a rock in a hard place.
Oh. She doesn't want to lie down. We got down for a couple of seconds. She's taking a quick sip off the side of the paddleboard.
I'm totally leaning in that direction.
Totally gonna tip us.
Not because I don't have core stability.
Frantically trying to turn us.
It worked.
Look at we turned.
Whoa.
Whoa.
No thanks to you.
No thanks to you. Day 2 of doggy paddleboarding is being quite a success.
This is day 1, what are you talking about? This is her first time on a paddleboard. She's a natural.
She's a natural.
Time for the old
Oh.
Whoa.
We're up. Are we gonna stay up?
Whoa.
Oh. Oh, dog inbound. I fell in. How's your tennis ball? Whoa. Oh. She's been scooped. She's been scooped.
And then you let the fish go.
That's all for this week's video. We hope you enjoyed watching Luga learn a new skill as much as we enjoyed teaching it to her. Thank you for watching this week's video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye! Luga, do you want to say bye?